Hey everybody, I was recently asked about adding styles to projects. And it's one of those things that's pretty easy unless you don't know, and then maybe not so easy. So I thought I'd make a super quick video on how to add styles to projects. So I went out to the interwebs and downloaded a style file. In this case, it's called Pirate. And it has an extension of stylx for Pro. And once I did that, I just opened this totally blank, empty map and 3 empty feature classes, points, lines, and polygons. And so let's add one of each just for demo purposes. And add a point and add a quick polygon. And once I do that, I say, okay, I need to change that symbology. So I click here and I'm in the gallery and there is no pirate style at all. There's this leftover, my favorites from my golf course watercolor map, but no pirate. So let's go over to the Insert tab and add Style and navigate to where that style file ended up. In this case, it's in my Carto-Madness. There it is, Pirate. Now, if you don't see it here and you know it's there, then maybe you have to save and close your project and reopen it for it to pick it up. That's a little tip that you don't see anywhere, but I found it more often than not, I have to do that. So we say okay, and now we see our pirate style right there. Super cool. Let's make this an ocean. There's an ocean. So let's select our point and go to our symbology and our gallery, and we will see we have it here. X marks the spot for treasure, but let's add drop, drip, 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 drop. And same thing with the line. And we can see that now we have a pirate line, in this case a river. So there you go, pretty cool, pretty easy, right? Pirate style, yar. So that's it. Like, subscribe, comment, all that stuff's appreciated. And thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.